Welcome to our portable washer showdown. Today, we are comparing two popular options, the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer and the Portable Small Washing Machine. We'll dive into their features, pricing, and which one might be the best fit for your needs. Stay tuned as we explore these two innovative washing solutions. When it comes to pricing, the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer is priced at $309 United States dollars, making it a more premium option. In contrast, the portable small washing machine is significantly cheaper at just $59 United States dollars, making it an attractive choice for budget-conscious consumers. Let's see if the price difference reflects in the features and performance. In terms of washing capacity, the BLACK+DECKER washer offers 1.7 cubic feet, which is suitable for larger loads. On the other hand, the portable small washing machine has a capacity of 13 liters, making it ideal for smaller items like baby clothes and underwear. This difference in capacity could influence your choice depending on your laundry needs. The BLACK+DECKER washer comes equipped with 10 wash cycles and a transparent lid with an LED display, offering a modern and user-friendly experience. In contrast, the portable small washing machine is designed to be foldable and highly portable, making it perfect for travel and small living spaces. Each product has its unique features, catering to different user preferences. In conclusion, both the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer and the portable small washing machine have their strengths. The BLACK+DECKER model is ideal for those who need a larger capacity and advanced features, while the portable small washing machine is perfect for those looking for a budget-friendly and portable option. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.